God still weak. Neon scars cut the night like a warning. Synthetic dreams die before morning. The grinders roar loud, feeding on the pain. 1,000 nickels pounding like a chain. Silent blood dripping from a shattered vow. Baptized in the flames, can't stop me now. I feel the pressure rising through the wires. My spirit flickers like erupted fires. I feel the pressure rising through the wires. My spirit flickers like erupted fires. In the furnace of the fallen, where the broken souls collide, metal claws and burning memories drag me to the other side. In the furnace of the fallen, where the engines never sleep, I rise from steel and ashes, while the iron gods still weep. Neon scars cut the night like a warning. Synthetic dreams die before morning. The grinders roar loud, feeding on our pain. 1,000 echoes pounding like a chain. Cyber blood dripping from a shattered vow. Baptized in the flames, can't stop me now. I feel the pressure rising through the wires. My spirit flickers like erupted fires. In the furnace of the fallen, I ignite the skies with rage. Rebuild the world from metal, burn the past, turn the page. In the furnace of the fallen, I break the gears of fate. A steel-born resurrection, I rise, I dominate. I rise, I dominate. While the iron gods still weep. While the iron gods still weep. Machine voices whisper, obey the code, but I tear through the silence. Overload, black oil dripping from my wounded mind. I'm the ghost in the system they failed to bind. Rust to rust, dust to dust, I turn their empire into iron dust.